Hello YouTube, welcome to this video. My name is Arash and today I'm going to teach you one price action pattern that can help you to make a lot of profit. As you can see in my chart, I had an analysis on CAD JPY that this pair is going to go down in the future day, and it happened, and I have received too many requests that how did you understand that this is going to fall? As you can see, this analysis mentioned in my Telegram channel and had 30k views. I'm going to explain you this technique and you can use it to make profit. Whenever in financial markets you had this movement, a sharp movement to upside or downside, then you had a ranged area and you had a downtrend movement, okay? A sharp movement to the downside. Whenever price is moving up, in this area, you need to wait for some signal to enter short position, okay? In this area, you need to wait for some signals to wait short position. And the important tip is that the second leg, this leg, need to be sharper than this one, okay? Need to be sharper than this one. As you can see, we had 3 green candles and we had 2 red candles, and it could hit the lower level than this area, okay? So we are waiting to enter short position in these areas, okay? And when you move into the lower time frames, for example, we are in the 4-hour time frame. If we move down to, for example, 15 minutes time frame, we have some range area here, and we could enter short position in this area, or we could wait for this trend line to break out, and then we could enter short position and move down. So this technique has a high win rate, okay? And you can use it in many ways to make profit. I'm going to give you more example of this technique. Another example is here. This one is bullish, okay? As you can see, we had a downtrend here, and then we had a spike back up here, okay? When this happens, in the 50% of this movement, you need to wait for some signs to enter buy position. And this technique has a high win rate, guys, okay? You can use it in many different places. As you can see, we had another signal here, an uptrend, range area, and the downtrend, okay? So when this happens, you can enter short position in the 15% of this sell movement, which is here, okay? It worked here and it might work even in the future. So the price didn't hit this area. But whenever this happens, it's a nice signal, nice trade setup actually. And you can use this to make a lot of profit in the market. As you can see, even here in CAD JPY, we had an uptrend, a range area in lower time frames, and then another big red spike. When this happens in the 50% of this movement, around here, we can wait for some signals to enter short position, and we can actually use even lower time frames. For example, in 15 minutes time frame, there are no signs of resistance. On 5 minutes time frame, it's here, guys. You can see that. When the price reaches this area, I expect the price to move down, okay? I wait for some signals. I wait, okay, to enter short position in the future. Here, for Bitcoin, as you can see, we had an uptrend, and then we had some small range area, and then we had a big plunge to the downside. On the 50% of this movement, around these levels, we can expect the price from these areas, we can expect it to move down again, okay? Around these areas, we can expect the price to show some resistance, okay? Around 49K level, around these areas. We need to wait for some signals to enter short position. So, all this video is not a financial advice, and we are here to learn with each other. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you later.